Hello, welcome to Pops and Poetry. I'm your host Jessica, a writer, cannabis aficionado, and poetry lover. And today we have our first very special Pops and Poetry guest, my husband Michael. Michael has been rolling joints for me for about 8 years now. And he is rolling the one that we will be smoking today. It is thanks to Michael that we are here in this very beautiful spot in Maryland. So today I am reading from a book of Mary Oliver poetry, of course, my favorite. These poems come to us from her book called Redbird, published in 2008. Our first poem today is called Mornings at Blackwater. For years, every morning, I drank from Blackwater Pond. It was flavored with oak leaves and also, no doubt, the feet of ducks. And it always assuaged me from the dry bowl of the very far past. What I want to say is that the past is the past, and the present is what your life is, and you are capable of choosing what that will be, darling citizen. So come to the pond, or the river of your imagination, or the harbor of your longing, and put your lips to the world and live your life. That was very nice. So, Mornings at Blackwater is one of my favorite Mary Oliver poems because I think it has just a beautiful intention behind it, a beautiful message behind it. What I want to say is that the past is the past, and the present is what your life is, and you are capable of choosing what that will be. It also is funny to me because, as a Mary Oliver fan, I have consumed a lot of her works, including her book of essays, which she wrote about her life. And one of the things she makes very clear in this book is that she has always been an outside person. She talks about skipping school, truancy, to spend time reading in the woods. So when she talks about drinking from ponds, it's not hyperbole, it's not exaggeration. This woman drank from ponds. So it gives the poem a sincerity to know that it is not an exaggeration.
Thank you.
Our next poem today is called The Orchard. I have dreamed of accomplishment. I have fed ambition. I have traded nights of sleep for a length of work. Lo, and I have discovered how soft bloom turns to green fruit, which turns to sweet fruit. Lo, and I have discovered all winds blow cold at last, and the leaves so pretty, so many, vanish into the great black packet of time, in the great black packet of ambition, and the ripeness of the apple is its downfall. Sorry. Never not making a mess with the ash.
Even outside.
Even outside. Our next poem is called Invitation, and this is a poem that I just have the top of it highlighted. I don't have a specific stanza highlighted. I just love this poem so much that I just marked the top of it so I would always remember to stop. Invitation. Oh, do you have time to linger for just a little while out of your busy and very important day for the goldfinches that have gathered for you in the field of thistles for a musical battle to see who can sing the highest note, or the lowest, or the most expressive of mirth, or the most tender? Their strong, blunt beaks drink the air as they strive melodiously, not for your sake, and not for mine, and not for the sake of winning, but for sheer delight and gratitude. Believe us, they say, it is a serious thing just to be alive on this fresh morning in this broken world. I beg of you, do not walk by without pausing to attend this rather ridiculous performance. It could mean something. It could mean everything. It could be what Rilke meant when he wrote, "You must change your life." What a beautiful poem to sing, surrounded by birdsong. Our last poem today is called "From This River When I Was a Child, I Used to Drink." But when I came back, I found that the body of the river was dying. Did it speak? Yes, it sang out the old songs, but faintly. What will you do? I will grieve, of course, but that's nothing. What precisely will you grieve for? For the river. For myself, my lost joyfulness, for the children who will not know what a river can be, a friend, a companion, a hint of heaven. Isn't this somewhat overplayed? I said it can be a friend, a companion, a hint of heaven. Those are all the poems that I have for you today, and I am so happy to share them with you. I hope you enjoyed them. If you enjoyed cannabis, rolling up, packing a bowl, eating an edible, sipping a drink, wearing a patch, putting on a topical, whatever it is, I love to know. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and I'll see you next week.